The last mile is the longest mile for the 1.7 billion people worldwide who may have a mobile phone but don't have access to formal banking services. The last 10 years have brought about great strides in financial inclusion. The emergence of digital financial services, including mobile money offerings, have made relevant and valuable digital financial tools accessible in local communities, using simple feature phones and last-mile agent distribution networks that ensure access to cash. But now, we're at a crossroads. At the start of the digital money revolution, the competitive tension between service providers for customer market share was the necessary catalyst for mass market adoption of a new service. By ensuring private sector investment in marketing, cash-in, cash-out distribution networks, and consumer education. These cash-in, cash-out networks remain the foundation of a successful, inclusive mobile transfer and payment service today. However, now that those foundations are in place, it is important to create an efficient and reliable environment to interoperate and cooperate, to unlock future opportunities for providers and customers. Without it, customers are often directly shouldering the burden. When there are multiple fees to be paid to get the money to its ultimate destination in multiple money movements, when solutions from providers behave differently and there is a steep learning curve, when there aren't strong redress mechanisms when sending money across platforms, which can erode trust when things go wrong, and when funds are held unavailable for days while manual processes resolve issues. This matters a lot to customers who live on $2 a day or less, and to micro-entrepreneurs dependent on managing their cash flow tightly. And it is part of the reason why cash is still king. That's why leading organisations with a common passion for financial inclusion at scale have formed the Mojaloop Foundation. The Mojaloop Foundation is a charitable non-profit that maintains the Mojaloop software, which delivers to its adopters an instant push payments clearing solution as a digital public good, and hosts a vibrant community of experienced digital payments consultants and technology companies. Named after the Swahili word for one, loop, Mojaloop provides modular and extensible software as an accelerator for a real-time payments interoperability infrastructure. The Mojaloop Foundation believes that if banks, mobile network operators, SACCOs, fintechs and microfinance institutions can connect to the same rails, then it can create a vastly improved end-user experience, and as a consequence, improve customer adoption and usage, and reduce trust problems significantly. Enhancing digital inclusion at scale. Imagine a future where a customer of the smallest microfinance institution can be connected with a customer of the largest bank. Shopkeepers see their money arriving at the same time as goods leave their shop, building digital payments confidence and improving their liquidity. Banks, microfinance institutions, mobile money operators and fintechs benefit from lower pre-fund liquidity needs and settlement risk reduction. And central banks benefit from a modular and extensible clearing system that serves all categories of financial institutions equally, can continue to develop, regulate and innovate on strong foundations to realise a financial inclusion vision. Payment schemes adopting Mojaloop technology are in charge of their own destiny, and their developers, technology partners and vendors benefit from a collaborative technology community effort to deliver standards, extensions, cybersecurity by design principles and best practice scheme thinking for global innovation trends that can lead to digital payments volume growth stories similar to that of UPI's up to 70 times growth in just over 2 years in India. The Mojaloop Foundation is a payments interoperability movement with member organisations that believe payments fragmentation hampers progress, want to be part of creating efficient, inclusive, interoperable instant push payment rails globally, and would like to accelerate the growth of a thriving financial ecosystem that delivers valuable and relevant services to last-mile customers. Help shape the future of digital financial services for all. Connect and learn more at mojaloop.io.